I think
Not?
she likes bearing it again.
Yes, I think that's the game. I don't think the game is getting it. Pushing it around in the mud.
Luna, get the ball.
But it is coming out towards the edge a little bit.
Get the ball.
Come on, big girl. We're pulling for you. Cody. Problem is she's going to start digging back out towards the mud hole. All right, big Luna. Coming in. Not too far, I hope. Here, let me help you. Here, excuse me. Oh. Get away from me.
Oh, look at yours is helping now.